Welcome back to our channel. Dallas here. Today's video we are going to be comparing our Qronge Spark X1L and our Qronge Spark X1 M. These are essentially both the same bikes, but obviously it really just comes down to what bike is perfect for you guys. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be doing an e-bike giveaway at 50,000 subs. I know that is kind of a far away for us, but it'll just motivate me to make sure that we get closer to that giveaway for you guys. Debating on I have no clue what kind of bike we're going to be giving away, whether it's an e-dirt bike or just a regular e-bike. I will probably try and leave that up to you guys, maybe give or take, but I'm more so leaning towards an e-dirt bike. So whatever company wants to support us on that, we have a long way to go. But if you guys are watching this video, please subscribe, comment, like, all that jazz. Definitely helps me. I guess you doing that helps me create more videos just like this for you guys. If you guys want to go ahead and snag a Qronge dirt bike or a regular e-bike on their website, go ahead and use my personal discount code Dallas. It'll save you just about $50 off of their website. But yeah, so we are going to be comparing these two bikes. They have been making a statement here within the last few months. I know the M in general came out late of 2025, and then the L came out I guess it was available for pre-orders around I don't know, late January, kind of early February. And then people started getting the bikes, I think maybe March, April, give or take, maybe April. But yeah, we also just ordered the Qronge Spark X1L in black. So this is the all black version. Everything about the bike, I believe, is pretty much the same other than just the looks of the bike. Both of my bikes have a full throttle. I know in early development for these bikes, they had only a half throttle, but we've owned our M since February, I believe, and then we've owned our L since April, I believe, give or take. So we've been loving these bikes a lot. I'm going to go down, or I'm going to break it down to you and tell you which bike is my favorite, and then we're just going to go ahead and show you the comparisons or the differences between the two bikes. Yeah, it kind of just comes down to which bike is perfect for you guys. And yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, so we have both of our bikes here right in front of us. Right here is our Qronge Spark X1 M, and to the right we have the Qronge Spark X1L. And essentially they are exactly the same bike when it comes to performance, but only, I guess, looks-wise, you can see some different notable differences right there in the number plate and the light itself, and some other features obviously that we'll touch base on. But this is just a side-by-side comparison for you guys. Honestly, just showing you which bike is best for you. Obviously, you can see that the Qronge Spark X1 M runs a smaller tire setup. So you have a 12-inch tire in the rear, and then a 14-inch tire in the front. As for the Qronge Spark X1L, you have a 14-inch tire in the rear and then a 17-inch tire up in the front. So other than that, honestly, that is probably the biggest difference between the two bikes. I think this is a good duel for father-son, or just, more of a smaller kid and then maybe a teenager. Honestly, both bikes perform really well. I think most people say that the M feels like it's a little more powerful than the L, but I think it's just because of the tire size kind of makes it different. You have a smaller wheelbase, obviously, but it really does pack the same amount of power. You're rocking with the 4,500 watt motor, and then the Newton meter out peak is 283. So lots of power for both of these bikes. As you can see, our L sits a lot higher than our M. I'm gonna move the bikes literally side by side so that you can really see the difference in height when they are obviously side by side. So you can either buy, I think, you can buy this as a package, M and L, and then they have a black version for both bikes. And yeah, and they have some other bikes that's coming out here shortly. We've already made some pre-orders for that, so stay tuned for those videos. But here is another noticeable difference. As you can see, the swing arm for the M is a lot skinnier right here. And then here is the L. You can tell that that swing arm is a lot bigger and a lot beefier. Obviously, to control the weight for the bigger rear tire. Everything else is pretty much the same. I think the suspension might be a little longer, maybe, but honestly, I think the difference is honestly just the height of the tires itself. So we're gonna go over and show you also some other differences. The number plate, as you can see, it's just a regular plate, and then you have your headlight right here. Then you have your number plate / headlight right here as well. There's only like a couple, not features, but this headlight is a lot different compared to that one right there. There's different outputs on the M, but I'll show you right here. So we've got to turn our bike on. And that's pretty much all you get with the L. You just have the regular standard light. As for the M, you have different options when it comes to the light. So you flip it up once, flip it again, get a amber and a strobe, then regular, and that's pretty much it. So pretty cool. I do like the amber look. I love the amber look in general, and it's great for when you're in the dark. And yeah, they do have the same rear tail light for both bikes, and they both obviously have the turn signals, as you can see. So that is pretty much the same as well. The screen is pretty much the same. They have the same LCD screen. Keys are pretty much the same. You have the horn. That is pretty much all identical. And yeah, so that is really much kind of the differences. I'm gonna roll the bikes side by side so you can see the true difference in height. Again, if you guys wanna go ahead and pick yourself up a Qronge Spark or one of their other new dirt bikes, go ahead and use my personal discount code Dallas on their website. It'll save you 50 bucks. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to message me, DM me anywhere you can find me. Be happy to answer any of the questions. Drop them down in the comments, and yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm happy to help you answer any of you guys' questions that you have about this bike or any other bikes that I have been reviewing, looking over. And if you want me to look at other bikes and tell you about it, just go ahead and ask me. I got you guys. All right, so we have the bikes side by side. I'm gonna go ahead and drop here, and you can see that difference in height, obviously with the stickers and plastics. So yeah, pretty big difference, I would say, with these two bikes. Like I said, the M is perfect for like kids, maybe preteens, and then the L is perfect for, you know, maybe older teens and even younger adults myself. I tend to ride more of the L myself because it fits me a lot better. I am 5'10", about 170 pounds. So that kind of just gives you a perspective on, you know, what bike kind of is, you know, best for you. But yeah, again, this is the Qronge Spark X1 M and L. So as you can see, honestly, not much difference at all. It just really comes down to tire size, and then the light, and then the front number plate, and obviously the different size in that rear swing arm. Everything else, function-wise, power, it's all the same. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this bike and show you exactly what I look like on both bikes, just to give you a better perspective. Nonetheless, both bikes are fun. Remember, like I said, each bike packs a punch, a 4,500 watt motor. And then I think it's a 60 volt battery, and then a 283 Newton meter for torque. So lots and lots and lots of power. And yeah, so again, they have all black versions that just came out not too long ago. We ordered one ourselves in the L. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I look like on these bikes and really give you that perspective to kind of decide on which one is best for you. It's good for a father-son duel. You guys can do so many mods to these bikes. You can put some like street tires on this. I've seen other people like put, change like the wheels itself, kind of strip all the plastics, kind of repaint it, do, their own style. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on our X1s here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the M. Again, this is all stock, nothing is modified on either bikes. Get that stand here. All right, so again, 5'10", 170 pounds. It fits me just fine. But like I said, since we have the L and I'm a little taller, I like to ride the L itself. Again, like I said, lots of power. This is just on mode 1. Mode 2, whew, lots of power again. And then mode 3. Oh my God, this thing's got so much power. This is the M, and again, the L. 4,500 watts, 283 Newton meters. That's what you're looking at right there with all that torque. Just so much power. I really like it a lot. This was the first bike that we got out of the X1 series or the Qronge series, and I love it a lot. But again, like I said, 5'10", this is what I look like. This is side profile view. This is what I look like sitting on it. So not terrible at all. I've seen some people kind of put some type of seat cover on these seats to kind of sit taller. But as you can see, if I'm sitting here, my knees are right here, and then here's like the key. So it might be a little uncomfortable for some people. I can imagine for anybody taller than 5'10", I would go with the L. And then for kids, I'd stick with this bike. There's a lot of power, so if you're a little heavier, obviously, these bikes have so much power, and that's on mode 3. Whew. So if you're really thinking about which bike to get for you, honestly, it really just depends on the height of, or I guess your height. So this is the L. As you can see, with me sitting on top of it, it's a lot closer to me. Doesn't shake as much or like gap. But this one sits a lot comfortably for me. So as you can see, I sit nice on this as well. Both bikes, like I said, pack so much power. We're on mode 1. Mode 1 right there. Whew. Mode 2 right here. And then mode 3. That torque is just insane for both bikes. I really love that they actually, kept the same amount of power in the M as well. So really fun. Again, this is what I look like. Side profile view, standing with the L. Again, 5'10", 170 pounds. You can go up to 50 miles per hour as well too, but that does depend on the weight, of course. So weight and wind resistance, all that kind of stuff. But both bikes are very fun. I love them a lot. But yeah, so I mean, the choice is yours on what bike, on deciding on which bike you guys want to choose for. But this is a true side-by-side comparison right here with the Qronge X1 Spark M and L. I know a lot of you guys are kind of torn between the two. I would spend the extra money if you are taller or if you are actively growing. I'm done growing already, so this L is perfect for me, but if all I had was the M, then the M is the way to go. But again, since I'm a little taller, 5'10", I would choose the L all day. But there are some other bikes that Qronge is coming out. So I will leave the link down below to the main website for Qronge. You can look at all their new dirt bikes coming out. But these bikes also have been out, and I love them a lot. I think I did another video of me going full blast with the L, and I got a decent amount of time on this bike and a decent amount of range on this bike as well. yeah, so we're going to be getting the Qronge Spark X1 L in all black. We're going to be opening that up pretty soon. I think it comes this week, so pretty stoked about it. But yeah, use my personal discount code Dallas on Qronge's website. Again, I'll drop and leave the link down below. It'll save you 50 bucks. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, showing your love. And yeah, we're doing a 50K sub. If I haven't already reached it in the near future, we are giving a e-dirt bike or e-bike away. So please support the channel. Yeah, you guys supporting me definitely helps me create more videos just like this for you guys. You got any questions, let me know. And I think that's it for today's video. So whatever you guys decide, I will choose L. And if you guys want the M, so be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely appreciate it. We are out of here.